Long time no silicone video, and that's why we're here for another Feturax try on. I have a silicone bodysuit with, as you can see, fake boobs here. Though these are not filled out, they're really squishy and empty. And we have this dress. Yes, it's a dress. So this dress, it's basically a nurse outfit. And again, we have the bust area here, which is a bit padded this time. And in the back, I don't know if you can see it, we have a hole in the dress, and you will see in a second how I am going to manage this. Okay, it was actually rather easy to get into this. So I looped my legs, the outside of my legs, and my back, my body, my hips. And then I pulled everything up that it was in my waist, like the whole dress. And then I put the arms in because it is neck entry and it is heavy, but that's the look. And I know you've been waiting for this, that's the behind look. I put on these really cool shoe tights, whatever. It's a one piece and I think it's a great match for the red of the dress and also to be YouTube friendly and safe here on the internet. The fit is so good. I know with a lot of silicone pieces it's hit or miss, one size, whatever, but this just fits so good. It's so tight. It's actually figure shaping effects or shapewear because it snatches everything in place. I can feel that the arms are really tight and also the neck is really tight. Of course, everything is stretchy, so I squeezed through that, yes. And also with the lines here, it looks even slimmer optically. The waist is snatched. It fits everywhere. My bust is bigger because, as I showed you in the intro, the bust is standing by itself because it has a bit of padding. It is thicker here, so I'm not filling out everything, but still, it looks great. Everything stands. Yay for the shapewear effect. We have these lines here which are almost like, I don't know, piping or something. These are design elements. I haven't seen them on catsuits yet. I think they're really nice because they add more depth and more 3D layering here. Also, again, the shape of them just adds to the overall waist effect here. And these are also here at the arm, so it's almost like they are imitating hemlines. Again in the back here, so I really like this. If you want a matching hood, I can recommend this because we have the crosses here again. It is available in black and red by now, so not only pink, but you know, the matching color. And the dress itself is also available in pink and in turquoise. And I do have a discount code with which you can save a few bucks, so check that out too. But I'm going to put on the bodysuit next. I already switched into a whole style, not just the bodysuit, but first, let me tell you something about a sponsor for today's video, Johhny Dipp. And you may be wondering, what? Why are you partnering up with a dip company? Funny story actually, let me tell you. They were looking for a blue-haired model and YouTube recommended them one of my videos. So they wrote me an email if I would be interested in producing an advertisement video for them. And that email was in my spam folder. I didn't answer for, I don't know, 2 weeks or something. But then they commented under one of my YouTube videos and I found the email. And so the whole collaboration started and I made 2 whole ad videos for them. Johhny Dipp is a young German brand for handmade gourmet sauces. They are produced by Das Pfefferhaus, which ships to many countries of the EU, so I'll put a link down in the description text and you can check it out yourself. There are 2 varieties, mango chill and barbecue chill, and they have 2 different levels of spiciness. So barbecue is a bit more spicy, and I have to say I'm not the biggest barbecue fan and it was actually too spicy for me. Yeah, I prefer mango. I love this one. It's so good. Well, I mean, you can try both and then tell me if I'm just whiny and it's not even that spicy. You don't have to store them in the fridge, but pro tip, in summer put them in the fridge because it's so great to dip your nachos into a cold dip. It's really refreshing. I tried it. I was surprised. There's a bundle available of the 2 varieties for a special price, so check out a link in the description text. And thanks for Johhny Dipp for partnering up with me. Now back to the actual styling. Okay, I put on a whole styling already. I will show you the bodysuit without the skirt later on. But I thought, let's style it first. I think it's a cool look, and to use the bodysuit just as a top, basically, is a way to make it less fetishy. If you want to wear it out in public, but are not comfortable enough to just wear out a whole fetish outfit, just put normal clothes on top of it. It is again a neck entry here, so squeezing through that, and the cut with the cheekbones especially is basically the same as the catsuits from Feturax, which I like because you know what you get. Also we have these 3D kind of hemlines here at the arms and also at the legs. And I left it matte, but of course you can shine it up, then you get a different look. Feturax also sent this hood along, which is one size again. I put it on the styrofoam head. And it has a curious mouth opening here. With it comes a lock and a key. And now you have to insert this lock into the mask. Well, I should probably put the key in it to rotate it in place. Yeah, now it's closed. And you can't really open it. I can try and push it out, like from the inside. It doesn't work. So you actually need the key to remove this again. Ta-da! I feel like a magician. There was also this shroud, which is actually made of latex. It's a nun outfit, and you have to put it around the head, like this. So that's how it looks together. Please help me out in the comments. Is it a shroud? Is it a veil? I'm not sure. I know the German word, which is habitat, but not the English one. Anyway, I think it's a nice black and white look, to be honest. It's rather long too, and yeah, we have the combination of latex and silicone here. Quite interesting. If you combine these two materials, please make sure to wash them both afterwards really carefully and separate, and also store them separately, so the silicone does not damage the latex. Alright, I promised you I will show you the bodysuit in its full glory without the outfit, so let me get undressed. A sentence I rarely say on YouTube. And I hope YouTube does not complain about the bodysuit, because I had problems in the past with showing a leg cut, a high leg cut on bodysuits, which is really annoying. That's why I'm doing this very shortly at the end. I do love the cut from the booty part. We have this 3D shaped butt here again, which I think makes the booty look great. And again, the high leg. So this is the bodysuit, rather simple, elegant. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. Write it down in the comments below which your favorite item was. And also check out the links. I will link Feturax, I will link Johhny Dipp. I will see you in the next video. Check my Patreon out, my Instagram, and all the stuff. Alright, see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.